What's up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, now this is my rwcweb.com, which is now my lead capture page. Okay, and basically, I originally had this as my main page. Okay, if you look up here now, it is in a file on my main page. Okay. And eventually, you could keep doing the Facebook thing and keep capturing leads and capturing leads. I don't really like email marketing. Okay, basically because you got to constantly bombard people with emails, constantly bombard people with emails. Now, if you're on my email list, you'll see that I don't really do that too much, okay? And I'm not saying it's a bad thing. My sweet spot was about, 1,200. You get about 1,200 emails in a good niche, or a good product. You should be able to keep upselling people and then people come and go on your email list, okay? Now, what I want to talk to you about today is it's great to have this as a lead capture page. And, eventually you're gonna need you're gonna need a bridge page of some sort also. If you're promoting affiliate products, I would suggest you try both. Okay, like either creating your own product from scratch, like I do, or create your own product from PLR, private label rights, master resale rights, which I also do. Okay, promoting affiliate products are great, but it's kind of like being a salesman. Okay, you're kind of like, not really a salesman, you're kind of an infomercial. Okay, now what I did was I've evolved my site into this. Okay, and I've got, my Aweber pop up here. I've got my new product here, which is your email form. And basically what this is, it's a independent software that allows you to do your own forms without having like Aweber or GetResponse and so forth. Okay, and basically, that's me. I'm the computer geek. So I write some minor stuff in software, HTML, and JavaScript, and so forth. Now I also have my own lead magnets that I made. Okay. Which is a great thing too. If you learn about something, no matter what it is, you can make a lead magnet very easily. Okay, and a lead magnet, of course, is an exchange for someone's email, free PDF download, or some kind of free training, and so forth. Okay, and then I have my other lead magnet, which also leads to after they do this, it'll take them here. They'll get the ebook in their email, and then they'll have a choice of these two products that I private label rights reproduced into my own product. Okay, so there's a couple ways of doing this, and the questions that I get asked, and you could by all means, you could copy mine, right off the bat. I give you permission to do that. Now, I got inspired by this fella here, if I can find him. This fella here, I got inspired by him on how to make my website. I like the red colors. Found this fella on YouTube. This guy's got a specific product that he does. He sells these beats. Okay, He's got some free stuff. He's got a shop. Okay. He's a young fella, but he's been doing this for a while. He's come up from a little bit of poverty, and he's got a great story. And it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work doing this. As you can see, he's his own producer, and he's taking the talent that he has, and he's basically selling it in a way where, most people have a desire for what he does. They have a desire for learning what he does. Now, I have a lot of hobbies. I also have a lot of professional skills. And, I try and utilize them on a lot of things. Now, one of my things is I love to play the harmonica. I love to play the piano. Self-study, I have this particular gift of a perfect tone, which means that I can hear and reproduce a tone. When I was a child, I was able to watch somebody, I haven't done it in a while, but I was able to watch somebody play the piano and duplicate what they played in real time. Okay. Now, I'm a big fan of this young lady. She's a harmonica specialist. She's a, she's a star. Okay. And she has her own course. And, by all means, if you know something, no matter what it is, like if you're a teacher or a professional in any way, you've been doing whatever it is you're doing for years, you can certainly have a site where you teach people how to do it. Okay, there's a lot of things that and you don't have to be like, I'm sure there's no certification before becoming a harmonica specialist. Okay, so if you have such abilities, you can certainly monetize on it. Okay. Now, part of the problem is like, especially with affiliate marketing, how do you make these pages? I mean, it's so simple with a lot of things. I'm not going to get into, you see my other videos on the actual software and websites that you can make these pages at, but a lot of people are confused on actually how to set it up. Okay. These are simple lead magnet pages. Okay. And again, you're going to give something in exchange for it. Okay, now here's basically, I got this from Funnel Secrets. It's right on their website. Okay, you get your people in from your advertising on Facebook. Okay, you give them a free download in exchange for their email. Then you got a call to action in the email, and then they buy. Call to action goes to your bridge page. After you get their email address, you send them to a bridge page, and then your affiliate offer, and it just keeps going round and round and round. Okay. Now, again, there are several different ways you can do this. All you got to do is sign up for somebody and see how they send you your emails. Okay. When I'm in the woodworking niche, when I did the Ted's Plans thing in the beginning, he kept sending me email after email after email, and I learned how to do it from subscribing to them. Okay. Now, in my last video, I showed you how I came across this ad on YouTube with a politician. I saw a politician, and it was clickbait, and it got me here. Okay. And what they do is, I showed you my other video. They basically spent some money on advertisement and brought me here. Okay. And every link on this goes to the affiliate offer. Okay. Every link on it goes to the affiliate offer. They make it look, whoops, except for that one. They make it look like, and you see that, okay, so this is what it is. Now, here, just last week, okay, when I was on this site, it went to their affiliate offer, and let's see if it's still there. Okay, so that's part of the problem, and I'm glad this happened. This is happening in real time now. Okay, I'm glad that happened, because just last week I was clicking on it, and it was going to a beautiful website, And unfortunately, I didn't even save it. So either this page violated something, or that affiliate offer, okay, crapped out on them. Okay. Or maybe this guy just decided he doesn't want to use this page anymore. I don't know. Okay, so that is the problem with affiliate products. Okay. Now, it was a long time myth. Let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Okay. It was a long time myth that you couldn't, if you look up here on the top, that you couldn't advertise a subdomain. And a while back, they wouldn't let you do it, especially Facebook. So now I'm going to see. Now, that's a subdomain, which I got totally for free. Okay, I made it on WebStarts. I've got the link down in the description. I am an affiliate to WebStarts. You sign up with me through any of my affiliate programs. You'll get free personal tech support. Okay, even if I got to create things for you and send it to you. Okay, you sign up with me, I'll take care of that for you, okay? So basically, it's in review. I'm going to see if they accept it as a subdomain. And Facebook is great. You could make a fan page on Facebook, okay? And just link it to your, you can link it to your free website. I haven't even promoted this. Apparently, some people are starting to find it, okay? And then you could do it. I'm going to make another video. My next video is going to be on how to do it organically without any money spent. I'm going to start going to a bunch of blogs like they used to do, like a lot of guys do that don't have money to advertise or don't know how to advertise, okay? I don't want to make this video too long, okay? So basically, we're going to see how I could take this. And I've already made some sales off of this by doing that, okay? But I haven't promoted it yet. And I'm going to spend $35 on this Facebook ad, and we're going to see what happens. Now, it's tough to find the audience for it and everything, but just for shits and giggles, I'm going to see how it goes, okay? So don't get discouraged. Don't give up. This is Ray, the old DOS Geek. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. Well, that's because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. You take care.